10 ways to stop draining your savings and start growing it. All across the place, money leaks are being brought on by inflation. But simply altering the way you carry out these 10 fundamental tasks, you can stop the loss. We're all looking for methods to stop living paycheck to paycheck as inflation climbs. Don't lose sight of the significance of continuing to save even during difficult times as you concentrate on trying to reduce costs. It's simple to make mistakes that can cost you money and are easily remedied. What good is it to start a side business or look into other options for making more money if you also allow a few little breaches in your savings to cost you more money than inflation? It's imperative to follow the next 10 measures to prevent unintentionally losing money when trying to save. Number 10. Watch your debts. A simple method to save more money in your pocket is to pay off debts and avoid paying needless interest. If you have to carry a load each month, look into debt consolidation to reduce your interest rate. You can start saving money now to start an emergency fund or other savings. Number 9. Understand your job benefits. Numerous firms provide perks that could ultimately result in cost savings for you. If you take 20 minutes to look into your employer's benefits, you might find that you can balance your budget and remain profitable each month. Number 8. Think twice about borrowing from or lending to friends. Even though it may seem comforting to know you can borrow money from friends in a pinch, lending money to friends is a surefire method for everyone involved to end up spending more than they can afford. Share laughs, meals, rides, and cuddles. But keep your money to yourself unless there is a genuine emergency. Number 7. Use cash for small purchases. Running your debit card for a $3 coffee or $2 snack is so simple. Not spending a few dollars on a small indulgence, but doing it too frequently, is the issue. Set aside money for rewards that are important to you. Set aside money for that amount and use it to pay for the snacks. No more goodies once you run out of money until the beginning of the following month when your budget is reset. Number 6. Track when checks come in and bill payments go out. Many of us discover that our monthly expenses are roughly equal to our monthly earnings. If this applies to you, make sure you are aware of the dates on which your check and bill payments are due. If you are careless, it is simple to let a $5 fee leave your account at the incorrect moment, leaving you short on cash when a bill is due and possibly incurring expensive late fees and other penalties. The timing of when monthly payments are deducted from your account is possibly subject to some flexibility. Decide on a timetable that prevents you from becoming vulnerable to overdrawn accounts. Number 5. Make automatic payments. Without cause, late fees and other charges can drain your bank account. Create automatic payments for any bills you pay each month. Look into the possibility of having your utility company automatically debit your account each month when your bill is due, for instance. Number 4. Look over your bank statement. People used to balance their checking accounts once a week in the past. Even though that practice has waned, you should continue to review your bank statement once a month. Additionally, you need to check your account online once a week. How many erroneous charges do you not realize are being applied to your account? What happens if any of them are false, are regular subscriptions or charges that you can stop? It should only take a few minutes per week to review your account transactions, but over time, you could wind up saving a sizable sum of money by doing so. Number 3. Create a budget and follow it. Create a budget after you've figured out your major expenses to prevent overspending on lesser items. You may set a budget and keep track of your expenditures using a variety of applications. Today's investment in budgeting skills will pay off in the long run. Number 2. Understand value. Spending money on items that don't enhance your quality of life, provide you joy, or bring you peace of mind is a bad idea. On the other hand, even if you don't necessarily need the item, it could be worthwhile to spend a little money on something that will improve your mental or physical health. Therefore, examine your budget every few months to eliminate items that don't add value. Use some of the funds you have saved, but not all of it, to buy reasonable items that will benefit you. Spending on these delights on occasion can make it simpler for you to stay under your spending limit. Number 1. Reduce your major expenses. Making sure significant monthly expenses aren't pushing you too thin is the most crucial thing you can do to prevent emptying your bank account. If you can't afford your housing and transportation expenditures, no amount of bringing your lunch or brewing coffee at home will help your financial situation. List all of your fixed expenses for the month so you can assess your financial situation. Be wise and practical while making significant budget cuts. This means that you shouldn't spend $5,000 moving to a new apartment just to save $100 a month on rent. That's it from this video. Let us know what you think about the list in the comments section below. If you enjoy this video, please like the video and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.